Hello and welcome to our Year 1, Spring 2, Week 5 phonics recap. This week the children have been learning alternative ways of making the k, sh and s sound. They've also learnt to read words with the letter A in, using the alternative sounds that this letter can make. And they finished the week by practicing reading longer words with schwas in. So let's have a look at what we've been doing. First of all, the children learned that these two letters, C and H, can also make a k sound, like in words like school. And they also learned that it makes a sh sound in words like chef. Next, the children looked at this digraph and they learned that it makes the s sound and the z sound. They've also learned that the letters C and E can make a s sound in words like mice. And they also learned that in some words there is also the letters Z and E that's a digraph that makes the z sound in words like snooze, squeeze, and sneeze. And it's usually at the end of the word when it's making a z sound. And they also remembered all of the sounds that this letter can make. So the letter A has lots of different sounds, and we've learned that throughout this term, throughout the whole of spring term. So they already knew that the letter A makes an A sound. And then in the spring term, they've learned that it can also make an A sound, an R sound, an O sound, and an O sound in different words. So they've actually been practicing reading words and identifying that letter and what sound it makes in that word this week. So let's have a go at reading some words using the sounds that we've learned this week. Can you spot the digraphs in here? There are 3 digraphs. This one is squeeze, squeeze. Okay, let's have a look at this one. This one has also got 3 digraphs. Can you spot it? The first digraph is ch. Next one is e, and the last one is a z. It's making a z in this word. Cheese. Cheese. Now, because this digraph S and E can make 2 sounds, a s and a z, it's always worth trying it out and seeing if it sounds right. So, for example, if I tried it out and said cheese, cheese, I know that doesn't quite sound right. We don't say the word cheese. I know that that must make more of a z sound. Cheese. Cheese sounds right. So I've tested it out to see what one fits best. Now, we're going to look at the same digraph that we saw on the first page in the word cheese. Can you spot it? It's making a different sound. Can you remember what sound we learned that it can make this week? It can also make a k sound. School. School. Well done. And finally, we've been learning to read longer words that have a bit of a schwa in. Now, remember, a schwa is a lazy sound. That's when it doesn't make the sound that it usually does, that it would normally do in other words. So we're going to chunk this word up because it's a longer word. We're going to chunk it up into parts. So let's do the first part. K, at, cat, p, I, caterpillar, caterpillar. Okay, so that R at the end isn't making an R sound, it's making an sound, caterpillar. So, and we've been practicing lots of words this week that have those schwas in, words like colour. I think we've practiced words like butterfly as well, all these different words that have got long words that we need to chunk up. So finally, let's practice what you've been learning this week and have a go at reading the sentence. Pause the video to try and read the sentence independently. Okay, how did you get on? The children shriek as they chase each other through the school. The children shriek as they chase each other through the school. Well done, everyone. Excellent phonics today, and we'll see you next week.